Alien here. I'm back, and this week we have tips and tricks for effective learning at Coloso. For me, adjusting speed helps a lot. When I'm unfamiliar with concepts or need to slow down when learning new functions of a program, I usually decrease video speed. And during demonstration, I set them faster to save time since there's so many contents to go through and demonstration takes time. So it will be more of a time lapse, and remember to slow down when you need to. Next is keeping notes of what you feel is important, what you want to remember, or anything really. For example, shortcuts, how to use a program, concepts from lectures, or which class and video is which content is from. So you could review when you want to come back to the class. What's most important is your awareness of your own learning style and the effective method in studying. Experiment and see what's best for you. Maybe you learn more following along demonstration. Maybe you focus best taking notes and then try it yourself later. Mess around and find out. Again, if you're interested in taking the same 2D anime course as me, there's a course description and a discount code down below. I'll see you again sometime. Happy learning!